हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लूइड्स। सो क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन न्यूटोनियन एंड नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड हियर हम किस फ्लूइड को न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड कहते हैं और किसको नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड्स कहते हैं। सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हियर. Now we will understand, friends. We know that friends, that according to Newton's law of viscosity, Newton's law of viscosity, friends, this shear stress is directly proportional to velocity gradient, or this tau equal to mu into du by dy. Here this is shear stress, this is coefficient of, this is constant, or you can say proportionality constant. It is coefficient of viscosity, and this term is known as velocity gradient. Okay friends, now from here this tau equal to mu into du by dy. The fluid, like example this water, oil. Okay friends, so the fluid which follow like air, the fluid which follow the relation tau is directly proportional to mu into du by dy. So this type of fluid is known as Newtonian fluid. Okay friends, Newtonian fluids. It means here, if you draw the curve between shear stress tau and velocity gradient du by dy, here it is directly proportional, so the relation will come like a straight line. Okay friends, so the fluid follow these relations, that fluid is known as Newtonian fluid. And the fluid which do not follow this relation, it means this, we can say this tau is, for non-Newtonian fluids, this tau equal to mu dash, we can say some different viscosity, and du by dy to the power something, suppose n is there, so it is follow some different relations, and it will come like this, so if the fluid follow this curve or any other curve not compared to this one, like this, so friends, the fluid which follow this type of curve, so it is known as non-Newtonian fluid. Okay friends, like example here, blood, paint. Okay friends, so the behavior of these things is different compared to Newtonian fluids. So friends, understand what is Newtonian fluid, what is non-Newtonian fluid. Now here we will describe like question, how we will write in the question. So here the same thing, from Newton's law of viscosity, tau is proportional to mu into du by dy, or we can say tau is directly proportional to du by dy, and we will define the term tau is equal to shear stress, mu is the coefficient of viscosity, du by dy is equal to velocity gradient. So we will draw one curve here, this type is shear stress, and here this is velocity gradient. The relation which follow here like this, directly proportional in non-Newtonian fluids, and the term, the fluid which do not follow the relations, this relations tau is equal to mu mu into du by dy, that one is known as non-Newtonian fluids. Okay friends, now here for non-Newtonian fluids, this is the example: blood, stars, paints, lipstick, we can say. And here for Newtonian fluids, example: oil, water, air. Okay friends, now here same thing, the mu is equal to tau upon du by dy. So from here we can find the direct relation between shear stress and elastic gradient. Same thing written here friends, the fluid follow the above equations, then this is known as Newtonian fluids, and the fluid which do not follow the or obey the above relations are called non-Newtonian fluids. We can define the same thing in a proper manner, or we can say in definition form. Friends, that Newtonian fluid, a real fluid in which the shear stress is directly proportional to the rate of shear strain of elastic gradient. It means tau is equal to du by dy. That type of fluid is known as Newtonian fluids. Example: water, oil. Non-Newtonian fluids, we can say a real fluid in which the shear stress is not proportional to the rate of shear strain. So this not proportional, this tau is directly not proportional to du by dy. So we can say it is non-Newtonian fluid, like blood, paints. Okay friends, start. फ्रेंड्स मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सपोर्ट कीजिए फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.